guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, for today's video, I'll be pulling a prank on my mom. It's called like lying in front of my mom to see how she reacts or so. I see this trend going around on YouTube and I figured, why not? Let's try this one. And I had really no clue how she'd react. So I figured, okay, let's try this. So we had this one video idea of like sharing how our life was like before moving to Germany and Jamaica and stuff. And really, it wasn't nothing luxurious or anything, but I decided to like hype it up and talk about, oh, we had all this wonderful life and stuff. See how she reacted, to see how she reacts, right? So I'm even making this intro after the fact because I had to be very spontaneous and on point, and she was asking me like, so what are we gonna talk about in this video? I was like, let's just swing it, let's just talk, because I had my plans, you know guys. So let's see, y'all will see how she reacts in this video. Yeah, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah guys, so let's get into the video. Hey guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy and
Abby, hello.
And today guys, we'll be telling you about how we live back home in Jamaica.
Yeah man.
Back home was so great, we really miss home. We had such a wonderful life in Jamaica guys. We had this big old house with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
What are your dreams?
So guys, we had this big bedroom with...
Yeah.
Wait, let me start again. Hey guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy and
Gabby.
And today guys, we'll be telling you about our life back home in Jamaica.
Yeah man.
So guys, we had a really good life back home. We had a big house with 5 bedrooms. We had
Yeah, go on. Swimming pool, jacuzzi.
we had a big backyard with trees
Yeah man.
and sea view.
Yeah,
guys.
we did have a sea view though.
Yeah, that place was just so huge, and we had our own personal chef. We had a
Yeah, that was you.
we had a chauffeur that brought us to a private school every day.
I didn't have to work, none at all. I was just staying at home. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Yeah man.
But sometimes she used to do tour guiding, but only with the most VIP people like Rihanna,
Rihanna, yeah.
Robin Williams, Angelina Jolie,
George Clooney.
George Clooney. Who else I go on tour with?
Elvis dead.
So guys, yeah, that was our elite life, you know. We even had a personal nanny. Hey, the best part was when we went to
No.
the neighboring countries.
Monkey Island.
Tell them some of the islands we
Royal.
went to.
Ja, sag ich doch gerade. Port Royal, Monkey Island. No?
We went to
Different
Trinidad and
islands, different
Tobago.
islands.
We went to Cuba, went to Puerto Rico, Barbados, everything in the summer holidays. We went, where else did we go? We went to the USA,
Miami.
Grenada.
New York. I've really been to New York. And Miami. It's ridiculous. You really gonna do it like that?
I want to show the people that say we live good life.
You really want to lie so? You can't do that.
How we could do it again, mommy?
Yeah, but you can't do that.
Why?
It's ridiculous.
They nothing know. Them not
Yeah,
know.
but you not have over extra things booms, no?
But Jamaica cheap.
No, I don't want that. Everybody who know well know a lie.
You know nobody no really comment anyways.
No, I'm not do that. That too much.
No mommy, make we do it again. This is just the first time, Zine.
I'm not gonna lie. Not so much with cheetah.
You lied to with the swimming pool.
Yeah, but come on.
You said things too. You just lied to.
You haven't. Nah.
Come on, nobody not gonna know.
No.
We could do this again.
Never go do that.
Hey guys, it's Yaadie Chrissy and
Gabby.
so guys, we want to share with you the wonderful life we had back home in Jamaica. We miss home so much, right?
Yes, definitely. I miss my breadfruit.
Tell them how big our house was. We had like 5 bedrooms.
No.
Because I'm not going to do this. If I that you want to know, I'm not in that.
Come on, slow
I'm not
that
lying so
video.
much. No.
You said we had a swimming pool. Tell him. We had the ocean
If you get
view.
serious, you know, I'm going to go back in my bed.
Mommy, this can go up. People don't know we.
Yeah, they do.
Come on, nobody know. Come. Just go with the flow now.
No. That is like, no, I can't do this. You can't lie like that. Then you do a video alone.
Mommy.
That is so not fair. That is such a huge lie. Seriously. And so over exaggerated, man. And not even little bit like 1 bedroom and thing. And no, we have.
I could tell honest story. Oh God.
But I'm supposed to think of first. I'm not going to believe in nothing no more. Sure. I'm proud from where I come from. I mean, I have to tell him detail or whatever, but I don't have to. I just say I have a private helicopter.
Yes, guys, she had a private helicopter. I forgot that one.
Yeah, man, and on airplane, definitely.
So you see, I continue.
Yeah, because you know, I
Alright.
have to post that under my dead body or that so.
So, mommy, make me.
This a picnic a little bit mad.
So, mommy, make we just tell them though.
Tell them what? The
Like-
truth.
Come on.
No, you can't. Put my face to that. I'm not a liar.
Alright.
The tell you a joke or nothing wrong also, but that is too much. Seriously.
Okay. We could tell the true story. It's sad. We prefer the makeup story so look better.
I mean sad. You don't really have to tell nothing about that anyway. Life is not all about where you live.
Okay, we're going to get them in a short form.
Yeah, we used to live up on the hill. Definitely did have sea view.
Alright, come here. Come in that video back now. Yeah, distance yourselves. Should not even want in the video anymore, guys.
Vex.
Here now, I already told my mom it's a prank. I'm so stupid. I should have gotten it on camera, man. After I told her, she walked out. She got so
Yeah, I couldn't believe I have such a rotten picnic who lies so much.
But you didn't go with the prank at first, mommy.
Because I didn't know where it was getting to. I mean, I didn't.
Yeah, at swimming pool.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, God.
Oh, I'm such a thing, so I dropped me to that
Yeah,
make.
and the other one out the door no, and laugh. Yeah.
Yeah,
right.
God, but
I saw not treat me.
I told my sister that I was gonna do this prank, so she was listening through the door and laughing. But I could not even do the prank properly, guys. I was laughing right through it. So was it a fail? Was it a fail?
Not to me.
She told me off camera she was so disappointed and this, that.
I guess for the future I gonna watch every prank on YouTube so I gonna be prepared. Yeah, man.
No, watch them,
Yeah,
mommy.
definitely. This not gonna happen to me again. You hear, guys? Never.
This is just an innocent prank, man.
I'm terrible with the pranking. Last time somebody pregnant.
This was an innocent prank, and you all give in. Some people already say right in the beginning that it's nah, can't do that, but you went along.
I'm glad I make you happy.
Is that a level of frustration, no?
I'm not frustrated. I'm cool. I'm gonna kill her later.
So anyways, guys, we made it to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I did make it too.
We really attempted to do this prank. I attempted to do it, I don't know.
And I didn't know anything, as usual.
She was like, what should we do for this video? I'm like, just sit down, we'll just talk.
Poor me.
Okay, guys, so we'll see you next time. Comment, share, subscribe.
Yes.
Peace.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Peace.